All right. So it's in full color right here. Hi.
Hi, welcome to Display Week 26. So you're in Aledia booth, and I'm Eric Buto, in charge of the product marketing. So I'll talk about our last innovations and achievement there.
So you have a great display week. A lot of people talking with you.
Yeah, it's been a great week, and we had quite a lot of customers and important persons visiting us for this display week. Yeah.
And you're showing full color. You can do the different colors. So what is special about the way you can do it?
What's really special is that actually we can grow all these colors together on a 200mm wafer processed on a silicon wafer. So this is kind of unique in our industry. And what's so special is that we grow all these colors based on gallium nitride epitaxy, and achieving a red and a good red color and achieving three colors at once on the same wafer is really something unique and something that is expected by the industry.
If we can go back in your room right here. So you illustrate a little bit on the wall here, the technology, how it works.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, we grow the MicroLEDs based on nanowire that are grown on silicon, and we can tune the color by changing the nanowire size. So if we grow side by side different nanowires of different size, we can achieve the different colors.
All right. So it's just really smart nanotechnology.
Yeah, I mean, this is standard processes from the semiconductor industry. So we take benefit of the accuracy of this process and the stability of this process to build the micro-LEDs. And we can grow the display at once on the wafer and achieve the three colors. Therefore, you just have to bond it on the silicon backplane to have a full micro display.
Nice. And so you do the colors very nicely. This is red.
This is red. It's another achievement we are really proud of. Is achieving a red and a good color point from the red with a gallium nitride is kind of unique. I mean, all the standard micro-LED processing get the red from a different material.
So how do they do it? What's the other way to do it?
The other way to do it is to use a different material and to grow the red on a wafer, the green on a wafer, the blue on another one, and combine them together. So either by mixing the colors in the system, which is kind of a complex structure, or by cutting the micro-LEDs and transferring them next to the other one on the backplane, which is a challenging process.
And red is kind of like a big issue for micro-LED. And you've solved it?
We've solved it, so we achieved good color point. We still have to carry on the improvement on the efficiency, and we'll soon reach the point where we can achieve performance that is at the expected level for micro display application.
How good is your blue?
The blue is pretty good in terms of color, and the important point for us today is to balance all the three colors together and to find the right process to achieve high performance for each color altogether.
And it's kind of a new achievement to do full color for you? So you like still tuning and everything?
It's been a long time since we tried to achieve that, and it's been a long development. I mean, it's really not simple, and we are the only one in the industry that can do that. So it's new for us, and it's new for the industry as well.
And so how long will it take before all the colors are perfect?
Well, we expect very soon, but obviously we need, and I think about another year to reach really good balance, really good performance. Depending on the application, we can start pretty early to introduce some products and going to higher end products on the longer term.
So this one is also a full color one right here?
It's another full color, yeah. Actually, we have a 200mm fab in France that is up and running end to end. And these days, since a few months, we are capable of starting a wafer on a regular basis and have a high acceleration of our learning, of our improvement. So we can do a lot of those every week.
What else are you showing here in the room?
We are showing some micro-LEDs, blue micro-LEDs, which is our first product that we release for direct view displays. The original thing there is that we can build 6 volt or 9 volt micro-LEDs that will help to improve the system efficiency for the displays.
And this demo there?
This demo there is another one with a 6 volt. Okay, so it's a passive backplane that is populated with our micro-LEDs, blue micro-LEDs.
Nice. So maybe in combination with some great waveguide designs, we're going to get some really great AR glasses.
We expect that for the AR glasses, and we can also build, I would say, cost-effective and energy-effective displays for direct view. And another interesting thing in the industry today is that these micro-LEDs are also well-suited for optical communication, CPO, for AI data centers. And this is really a strong stream that we see pulling the LED industry today. So another point which is really unique and original with our technology is that due to the micro-LED structure, we can achieve really high bandwidth at a low current, which is super attractive for optical communication.
Nice. And on this one?
On this one, so this one is our FlexiNova platform. So we grow...
One second, the connection right there. What do you say, FlexiNova platform?
FlexiNova platform. We grow micro-LEDs as small as 1 micron, and we can build, like Legos, micro-LEDs of any size we want. So we can group them 2 by 2 or 2 by 8 or 3 by 6, and we can build any chip size. The interesting point there is that whatever the chip size, we have always the same efficiency and the same micro-LED characteristics, which is also a unique feature in our industry.
Nice. So I guess must be a lot of fun discussions here with future potential partners, investors.
I mean, Display Week is always a hotspot, you know, so all the players are there, and we can connect and talk with all our partners, all our customers, and it's a great place to be.
And so, yeah, I'm hoping that soon I can get the video published from this beautiful facility you've got. Of the last 6 months, a bunch of stuff has been happening.
Yes, I mean, it's kind of a unique asset that we have there. We can process end-to-end 200mm wafers, and it's really accelerating our learning and our development. So we can release now our first product, and our development of the future technologies is really accelerating.
Because it is the new iPhone. It's the new iPhone to get like really smart glasses, like virtual reality.
I mean, could be. I mean, the use case may be up to this level, where you don't need to get your phone out of the pocket and you get all the information in and out on your glasses.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.